What's going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys read in the title of today's video, I just want to do a quick little trading update for you guys. What stocks am I currently trading? What stocks am I currently watching? And just a quick little market overview of today, Monday, August 27th in 2018. And for those of you guys that are new to my channel, my name is Stas, and I make videos dealing with swing trading, day trading, long-term investing, and my personal philosophies and strategies when it comes down to investing and trading in the stock market. So if that's something that you're interested in, guys, if you want to learn more about the stock market, investing, and trading, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And also join the Discord group and the Facebook group. Both are linked down below in my description, as well as the first pinned comment in the comment section down below. We're talking about entrepreneurship, stock market investing, trading, strategies, and pretty much working together as a community, networking with each other, bouncing ideas off of each other in both of those communities, both the Discord and the Facebook. So make sure you get into those two communities. So you guys saw today that the S&P 500 hit an all-time high at about $2,898.25. So we see that here. We broke above the previous high at about 28, what was it? I think it was at about like 28.85 it might have been. Let me check that really quickly for you guys. It was at about 28.75. We blew past that today and we hit an all-time high, meaning that the markets today did very well and most of my positions did very well as well. The trades that I'm currently in, guys, I'm in Micron, I'm in Facebook, I'm in Gush. Those are the three main positions that I'm currently in terms of my swing trading portfolio. And let's just take a look at those ones first right off the bat. So Gush, guys, this is an inverse ETF. It's inverse being DRIP, ticker symbol DRIP, and I'm in this one with my $500 Robinhood account, and an update video to that Robinhood account is coming tomorrow. And I'm also in this one with a smaller position in my larger portfolio on Fidelity, as well as Facebook and Micron, but I'm going to talk about those two after. So Gush, guys, today we saw a nice day today from Gush. Nothing too crazy, but a nice 1.15% upwards push in terms of this bull ETF, right? And for those of you guys that don't know, Gush trades based upon XOP, meaning whenever XOP is pushing up in price, this oil and gas-based ETF is pushing up in price. Gush is pushing up in price as well. And we've seen, you know, crude oil over the past couple of weeks, it has been pushing up in price as well, right? And that's something that we need to see happen in terms of Gush going up in price as well as XOP going up in price. So you know, crude oil / CL bounced very nicely here on the 180 SMA, and it started to push up, started the uptrend from there, and broke above the EMA, and now it's being tested by this 50-day SMA indicator. And let's take a look at this a little bit closer on the 180-day chart. We see that, okay, on the 180 chart, it broke above the 50-day, it broke above the EMA, and now it broke above the 180 SMA. So this is a very good sign that crude oil is pushing up in price, and this is why I really like Gush as a swing trade right now, because again, if crude oil is pushing up in price, XOP is going to be pushing up in price, which in turn is going to be pushing Gush up in price. So I'm in Gush, I think, with a $32 average position in my larger account, and I'm in this one with about a $35.30 position in my Robinhood account. Again, I'll update you guys on that in tomorrow's video, but I believe that's my average position in that account. And I'm waiting for a break above the 180 SMA before I put more money into Gush, ticker symbol GUSH. So this one, guys, it's very nice in terms of the technical analysis. It's uptrending in price. It confirmed this bounce here, which was a higher low from the previous bounce. So this one is still, you know, technically in an uptrending pattern in the long-term perspective here on the 180 chart, right? So that's a very good sign in terms of, you know, Gush and in terms of my swing trading strategy, right? So I'm waiting again to just add a little bit more money into this one as it breaks above, you know, this 180 SMA. So that's what I'm doing in terms of Gush. Another one that I'm trading is Facebook, ticker symbol FB. And Facebook today, guys, this is what we've been waiting for. We broke above the 50-day SMA. We're trending up now. We had a nice, very solid green day today. Again, mostly due to the S&P 500 breaking record highs, right? We saw the market overall green today, pushing up a bunch of stocks, the big name stocks, right? Apple, even Apple had a good day today. Let's take a quick look at Apple. Apple had a solid day today, and just look at this chart, guys. Apple, man, it's absolutely killing it. And I'm in Apple as well. This is a longer term position for me. I'm in at about $185 average position in Apple. But now to get back to Facebook, we were waiting for this upwards push in Facebook here because we were talking about in the previous video how it was at the support level of 172. It was there for a bunch of trading days, right? It was consolidating there very nicely for about 5 to 6 to 7 trading days. And now we're seeing the push up above this 50-day SMA indicator, which is a very good sign. And, you know, one of the first steps that we want to see, you know, for Facebook to start pushing up in price and, you know, shoot up to, you know, previous highs of 220. And again, baby steps to get there, guys. We want to see a break above the EMA. We saw that. We want to see a break above the 50-day SMA. We saw that. And obviously, it's going to take time to get back to previous highs and even higher, right? But all signs are showing that Facebook is slowly starting to recover now, right? And this is a very good sign in terms of if you want to swing trade Facebook or if you want to hold Facebook longer term. So, you know, we're seeing the upwards momentum in Facebook, a little cup and handle forming here in terms of the technical analysis. So Facebook, very good play today and for the rest of the week, in my personal opinion. And again, do your own research. Don't trade based on my opinion. Don't buy or sell based off of my opinion. But, you know, I love Facebook in terms of the technical analysis and in terms of swing trading this particular stock. So that's what I'm looking at in terms of Facebook and Gush. Another one that I wanted to talk about was, what was it? Micron, ticker symbol MU. Let's take a look at Micron, guys. Today, Micron had a very good day, up 2.7%, up $1.37. So we saw the bounce on the support level at $45, and I was talking about this in yesterday's video. This is something that I was really waiting for in terms of Micron, and if it didn't bounce at this $45 support, I would be very nervous in terms of a Micron shareholder, in terms of a Micron trader, right? But now that we saw the bounce here at $45 and the push above the EMA, the push above the 50-day SMA, you know, Micron stock is slowly starting to recover. Now, the next barrier that we see here is the 180-day SMA, right? And that is a clear resistance point. It's been a resistance point in the past. So we want to see a break above this 180-day SMA. And that's why I have an alert here at 54.50 because that's where I'm looking, to add more money into Micron, ticker symbol MU. And, you know, we had a big green day today. The past couple of days for Micron have been green days. So, you know, I wouldn't be too surprised if we saw a pullback tomorrow or the next day or possibly the day after that, a bounce on the EMA line, and then a continuous movement in this upwards formation, uptrend pattern, right? So, you know, we saw, like I said, a couple of green days, so a pullback in Micron will be ideal before, you know, considering putting more money into Micron. And then again, the next step, I want to see, you know, a break above the 180-day SMA indicator. So that's what I'm looking at with Micron. Another one that I wanted to talk about was ATI. ATI is slowly starting to recover. We saw the bounce here on the EMA line, right? You know, and initially what we were looking at with ATI last week is that it was on this horizontal pattern. We saw it bounced here at the $25 support level, and we saw a clear resistance at $30. So the profit margin with ATI from $20 or $25 to $30 was about 15%, right? So we saw the bounce there, the break above the EMA line. Then we saw a nice pullback in ATI from about $26 down to about $25.50. Nice pullback, and then we saw the bounce here, you know, a little bit under the EMA line up to another higher high. So, you know, this one, guys, it seems like it's recovered from this pullback a couple of days ago, but now we want to see if it breaks above the 50-day SMA as well as the 180 SMA, which is why I have an alert for ATI set at $27 because I want Thinkorswim to notify me whether or not ATI is going to break above here. So, you know, that's the point where I'm going to consider putting more money into ATI because, again, I'm in this one with a smaller position of $500. And me personally, guys, I add money very slowly into my swing trading positions. This way I can mitigate my risk. For example, if I put in $500 at first with a goal position of $3,000 and the stock initially doesn't go my way, I wouldn't lose as much money as I would if I went in head first, $2,000 right off the bat, and I had to cut my losses. That would not be good, right? So the whole idea here is to just slowly add money, as the stock continues to confirm the uptrending pattern, right? That's what I'm doing in terms of all my trades, right? All my trades. This is how I play, my swing trading positions, and this is how I mitigate my risk and try to lose the least amount of money as possible and try to maximize my gains, right? That's the whole entire idea of swing trading. So that's what I'm looking at with ATI. Another one that I want to talk about was, what was it? Let me look down here. We saw Tesla. Tesla, again, we saw the little sell-off pre-market hours. Not really looking to touch Tesla right now. It's kind of an iffy spot. I want to see some more confirmation in terms of, Tesla pushing up before I put money into Tesla. So I'm not going to be looking too closely into Tesla. And, that's what I'm looking at in terms of Tesla. We saw a very nice green day today in Alibaba, and Alibaba might have found its new bottom here at about $170. So we see it bounced here at 170 once, twice, 3 times, 4 times here a couple of days ago, and now we're slowly starting to see a reversal in the pattern of Alibaba's stock. We see a break above the EMA, right? A break above the 50-day SMA, and now it's completely uptrending until, and the next thing we want to see, guys, it's not fully uptrending yet until we see a break above the 180 SMA. But, the candlesticks are shooting up very nicely right now, so I would want to see a little pullback in Alibaba before I do add some more money into it, right? And this was one of the top 5 stocks that I'm looking to swing trade in September of 2018, and I'm actively invested in trading Alibaba as well. So that's what I'm looking at in terms of Facebook, Gush, Micron, Alibaba, ATI. Another one that it's looking very nice now is DGAS, and I've been holding DGAS for a couple of weeks now, and it's slowly starting to show that uptrend pattern now. We finally found the bottom at $20, $21, right? We saw the support level there, and now we're slowly starting to see the uptrend pattern form. This is a very nice thing for DGAS, and for those of you guys that don't know, DGAS is an inverse ETF, natural gas-based ETF, and whenever natural gas is going down in price, DGAS is going up in price. So we see clearly, guys, that natural gas, it broke the support at 290 and now it's downtrending in price. So before I add more money into DGAS, I want to see a break below this 180 SMA because that's going to give me the confirmation that natural gas is on a full downtrend pattern and that DGAS is going to be on a fully uptrending pattern at that point. And, that's going to be the last step, in my personal opinion, before I add money into DGAS, and that's going to give me, the confidence in adding more money into DGAS. And just to look at how much potential for profit DGAS has to offer, from about $22 up to previous resistance points at about 28, it offers about 21% potential for profit. So today, guys, overall, very, very good day in the markets for me, guys. I was up about $150 in my account today, in my one account, swing trading account. It's a very good day today for me, guys, and hopefully everybody out there had a great trading day as well. And if you guys want to keep up with my profits, feel free to follow my Instagram. The link is down below in my description. I post all my profits on my Instagram story every single day, so make sure to go check that out. And, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and, again, on Instagram if you want to see my profits. And also join the join the Discord community, join the Facebook community. We're going to be in there on a daily basis. We're in there on a daily basis talking about stocks, trading, swing trading, day trading, and everything dealing with this channel is in those communities. So make sure to join those 2 communities. Do your own research before investing, trading in the stock market. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.